Hello, future recycling heroes! Every year we are producing 50 million tons of electronic waste. That's the same weight as 4,500 Eiffel Towers. A big number. To reduce it, we can all take a few easy steps. First of all, treat your electronic devices with care and cover them with shock-resistant cases and waterproof screen protectors. To prolong battery life, you can turn your device off when you are not using it. But accidents do happen. If you do break your device, you may be able to repair it at home. Don't worry if you've never worked with electronics before. On the internet, you will be able to find many easy-to-understand repair guides. However, if you couldn't find help online, you can still bring your gadget to a repair shop. Longer-lasting devices means less garbage. As a result, future generations will be able to enjoy the Eiffel Tower in Paris without having to worry about Eiffel Towers of electronic waste.